how to remove account from Messenger. If you're looking to remove your account from Messenger but aren't sure how to do it, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through the easy steps to remove your account from Messenger. Now, first things first, what you need to do is open Messenger and make sure you have the you have the account installed, logged in on your phone. After that, simply tap on 3 horizontal bars and simply click on downward arrow, as you can see here. Now, if you want to remove any account from your account, what you need to do is simply tap on simply swipe left, and here, as you can see, remove option. What you need to do is simply tap on it like this, and it will ask you whether you want to remove this account for sure. Now, if you're sure you don't want this account to be logged in your Messenger app, then simply click on remove, and that's it. That's how you simply remove an account from Messenger.